Buju Banton Coffee and Popcorn won top awards at this year's Irama as Africa showed up for its reggae and dancehall artists. At the end of the night, Africa copped 8 awards from Best New Entertainer to Best Music Video. Crossover artist Nomkebo Zikode won Best New Entertainer, Best Afrobeat Entertainer, and Best Music Video for the mega crossover hit Jerusalem, with African dancehall king Shatta Wale beating Bounty and Beenie Man for Best Virtual Entertainer of the Year.
It has been the greatest dream of my life, always to be in the Caribbean market, and I just thank God. You know, it's marvelous. Like, it's great. You know, and I believe hard work, you know, brought us here, and we're gonna be doing this. You know, keep supporting dancehall, keep supporting reggae, and we're gonna be making this, you know, mark every time for people to know that, yeah, you know, Irama came to stay, and I'm so proud that I'm one of the African artists who's won most of these awards.
Jamaica still maintained its hold on the Reggae Awards, though, as Buju Banton secured 3 of the most coveted Iramas: Best Album with Upside Down 2020, Entertainer of the Year, and the Marcus Garvey Humanitarian Award. Now, Popcorn walked away with Best Male Artist of the Year, with Twist and Turn featuring mega superstars Drake and Party Next Door winning Best R&B Collab and Best Crossover Song, while Coffee represented for the females, taking Recording Artist of the Year, Best Female Vocalist, and Best Song with her summer mega hit Lockdown. Now, overall, the 39th Irama, with its scaled-down virtual event due to COVID-19 restrictions, did not disappoint on Sunday night, as hosts Grams Morgan and D'Angel took viewers on RETV through a star-powered show with performances from Ziggy Marley, Flower Gone, Papa Michigan, and Jamaican and African dancehall kings Beenie Man and Shatta Wale.
Alright, me thank you for that one, yeah. Yes, you know, some man about the entertainer. Respect to everybody from Jamaica, America, England, everybody I watch ya. Yeah, Europe, people from over China. Being upon the rhythm, I'm the boss entertainer. King of the dance hall, and me live in a Jamaica. Everybody sing that song. I'm okay. I'm clean every day.